Today we delve into the skin manifestations of liver disease. Now, the liver is a vital organ and its health is paramount to our overall well-being. When it's not functioning properly, it can often signal us through our skin. Common signs of liver disease include yellowing of the eyes, tea-colored urine, and pale stools. However, there are other less-known skin manifestations that could clue us in on potential liver issues. It's crucial to understand these signs as they can be early indicators of a potentially serious health issue. Remember, early detection is a crucial step towards effective treatment. Before we dive into the skin signs, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Now let's explore some of these skin signs that might indicate underlying liver disease. First up, we have unexplained skin itching. Often the most typical symptom of itchy liver disease is the sudden appearance of a red rash or pimple on the skin. When observing, these red patches often appear with clear limits. At an early stage, they will take the form of tiny red rashes but later spread and form lumpy patches. Itching associated with liver disease tends to be worse in the late evening and during the night. Some people may itch in one area, such as a limb, the soles of their feet, or the palms of their hands, while others experience an all-over itch. The reason for itchiness is that you might have higher levels of bile salt accumulating under the skin, which may cause itching. Not everyone with high levels of bile salts feel itchy, and some people feel itchy despite a normal bile salt level. If you have a mild, localized itch, you can try aqueous cream with 1% menthol. Other over-the-counter topicals such as corticosteroids and calcineurin inhibitors may also improve itching. If you've been experiencing persistent itchiness with no apparent cause, it's worth visiting a doctor and considering a liver function test. Moving on, we come across a symptom known as spider angioma. This is a term used to describe a particular pattern of blood vessels that resembles spider veins. They typically appear on the upper body or chest, and are another telltale sign of liver disease. The name might sound a little scary, but it's just a way of describing the appearance of these veins. As the reason why spider angiomas appear on your skin is unknown, healthcare providers don't know how to prevent them. Studies suggest that spider angiomas relate to the high estrogen hormone levels in your body, as is the case with chronic liver disease or during pregnancy. Spider angiomas usually do not need treatment, but burning or electrocautery or laser treatment is sometimes done. Next, we have red palms. This is exactly what it sounds like. The palms of your hands turn a shade of red that is not painful or itchy, similar to the color they'd be if you were clapping vigorously. This sign, also known as palmar erythema, can be a symptom of liver disease. Palmar erythema is associated with several types of liver diseases. About 23% of those with liver cirrhosis have palmar erythema. If you've noticed a persistent redness in your palms, it might not be as benign as you think. These signs may seem ordinary, but they can be a body's cry for help, signaling a potentially serious liver condition. So stay aware of these symptoms and remember, early detection is key to managing liver disease effectively. We've already delved into some of the skin manifestations such as unexplained itching, the appearance of spider angioma, and red palms. Now let's shed some light on a few more signs that can be indicative of a potential liver problem. One intriguing sign to look out for is pinpoint skin bleeding. This might sound a bit alarming, but it's not as scary as it sounds. Pinpoint skin bleeding appears as small spots of underskin bleeding, almost like tiny red or purple dots scattered on the skin. This happens when the liver disease causes an enlarged spleen, leading to a decrease in platelets, the blood cells responsible for clotting. This reduction in platelets can make the skin more prone to bleeding and bruising. Another skin manifestation to be aware of is the clubbing of fingers. This is where the fingertips appear more rounded and swollen than usual. It's as if the fingers are trying to tell us something, isn't it? Well, they are. This condition can be a sign of chronic liver disease. It occurs due to changes in the nail bed caused by a lack of oxygen in the blood, which can be a result of impaired liver function. Last but not least, let's talk about the nails. Have you ever noticed someone with white nails? Not just the tips, but most or all of the nail. This condition, known as Terry's nails, can be a manifestation of chronic liver disease. The nails turn white due to a decrease in blood vessels and an increase in connective tissue within the nail bed, often associated with liver diseases. These skin signs may be subtle, but they serve as a silent alarm of a potential liver problem. So, pay close attention to these signs because your skin could be the first to know if something's amiss with your liver. While these skin signs can be indicators of liver disease, they are not definitive diagnoses. It's crucial to remember that these symptoms can be associated with a range of health issues, not just liver disease. If you notice any of these signs, it's imperative to consult with a healthcare professional. These professionals checking for liver disease will begin by physically examining you. They'll look for visible signs and ask about your symptoms. They may also ask about your diet, lifestyle, and health history. Finally, they'll use lab tests and imaging scans to check for liver disease. Self-diagnosis can lead to unnecessary worry and even harm if incorrect self-treatments are attempted. Health is not a guessing game. It's a matter of serious consideration and professional evaluation. Your body is your most valuable asset, and it deserves the best care. We would love to hear your thoughts or personal experiences related to this topic. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening videos.